Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to find and edit code or text in your themes and plugins. So just guys, you have to find out this plugin string locator. It's a very useful and popular plugin to find and edit code or text in your WordPress themes or plugins. So install and activate. If you want to help to use this plugin, so comment. I will create a new video about how to use this plugin. This is the famous and popular. We can see here about 1 lakh plus active installation and a good ranking star. So this is a short and basic video guys. I in this video show you how to disable, how to find and edit code. Thanks for watching, and guys, please check out my WordPress learning series. There are some useful videos beginner to advanced user of WordPress.